Hey, what's up everybody? Real quick, I did not get to spend very much time with this car. I only had a few seconds, then somebody kind of walked up, got in it, and ruined my moment, so I wasn't able to really show you the inside, but here you go. Alright everybody, so we're over here at the Dodge event. I'm sitting right next to the all-new Scatpack 1320 in this beautiful purple. My God, this car is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm not sure we're going to get an opportunity to drive this one, but we're definitely going to be driving the other Scatpacks and the all-new Hellcat Redeye. So super excited to get these things on the road. Let's check it out. As you can see here, we got the single seat with the rear seat delete. Well, hey, would you look at that? It has the keys in it. We got the Alcantara steering wheel. Excited to learn a little bit more about these Nexen tires here. I hear that they're pretty amazing. So the new Scatpack also has the optional new wing here, as you can see, the same that's on the Hellcat Redeye. Alright everybody, we're in a 2019 Hellcat Redeye. I'm here with the instructor Michael. We're about to see how a real professional gets around this track, not a novice like myself. So he said he was going to drive my line, and I said, please, let's not do that. Let's drive your line. Alright, so let's get started.
We'll go see what we can do here.
Alright.
So we'll do the same thing as we did. We'll go out, do one lap, say kind of a warm-up lap, but we'll get around there pretty decent, and then we'll do an actual hot lap, and then we'll do a cool down lap.
All right.
glad you guys had a good day today, man. Thanks for coming out.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. This car is impressive. Your driving is impressive. I mean, the scenery is impressive. I mean, I couldn't ask for any more perfect day.
This is a pretty good day.
Oh, it's perfect.
Thanks, brother.
Thanks, sir.
I put the team on my back. I do it all for the family. Everyone think they can rap. Nobody ever gon' challenge me. Starting my week on a Sunday. They think they can make it in one day. I just been ready to take off. Waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around. Never be turning around. Ayy. Never be slowing it down. Never be slowing it down.